You are about to practice Beginner's Yoga Flow, a total body yoga class. Welcome to the Fightmaster Yoga channel. This is day 17 of our Yoga for Beginners 30-day challenge, and there's Elmer saying hello. In this class, we will be moving through some postures, sun salutations, and standing poses. Our standing poses will have a little flow added with them as well. As always, take a break if you need a break, push the pause button, work at the level that is best for you. This is your practice, and there's nothing that has to be perfect in it. So do your best, and that's all that's required.
Today's winner of a free Jade Yoga mat is Wyatt C. from Cincinnati, Ohio. If you would like to win a free Jade Yoga mat, go to fightmasteryoga.com/free mat. But remember, you have to be subscribed to this channel and hit the like button, because when Lesley comes back from her yoga teacher training, we need to show her that there's a lot of likes on this video. Isn't that right, Elmer? Meow. He said yes.
We'll begin sitting nice and tall. And hands together at heart center. You can rest them on your legs. May our practice today get us in touch with the strength and flexibility of our bodies and also in our minds. And then roll yourself forward onto the hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, bring your chest forward, lift your chin and tailbone up. Exhale, round the back, chin toward chest. Inhale again, widen through the collarbones, lift your chin, lift your tailbone up. Exhale, press away from the mat, pull the belly in and up as you round. Inhale once again, bringing heart through the gates of your arms. And exhale, press away, pulling in the belly, feel the strength as you round the back. Inhale, chest through, shoulder blades gently toward the waist. Exhale and round the back, pulling in ribs and belly. Come to neutral, walk your hands about a handprint forward. Turn your inner elbows forward as you tuck your toes, coming into down dog. And then just bicycle your legs here. So bending one knee, straightening the opposite, and just back and forth for a few breaths. Be sure your arms are shoulders distance apart, feet are hips width. Remember to always press into the base of your fingers as your forearms lift away. Stretch back through your down dog for a breath, pulling in through the ribs and belly and firming the legs. Inhale to plank pose. Feel free to take the knees down or keep them up. Exhale, lower all at one piece down. So if you can't, keep the knees down. Inhale for little cobra, pull the belly in, lengthen tail to heels. Then exhale, tuck the toes, knees up or down to press up to plank, and then lifting the hips into down dog. So if your upper body strength and your belly strength isn't really there yet, let's walk the hands to the feet, inhale, lengthen, exhale, fold. Then you'll keep your knees down in plank and moving up and down in chaturanga. Inhale, lift up, arms sweep up, and exhale, hands to heart. Throughout this practice, we will keep getting stronger, but it takes time. Ground down now through your left leg. Pick up your right foot, take it anywhere below or above your knee, anywhere but on the knee joint. And keep a steady focal point to help with your balance. If you're steady, add your arms. This is tree pose, Vrikshasana. And do your best to drop your right hip down and pin your left hip in. If you fall out like I just did, no worries, just come right back in. And then extending the leg in front of you, holding it low or lifting it higher. More core work. Keep the belly lifted, keep the shoulders above the hips, and then bend the knee to release. Now we'll ground down through the right leg and pick up the left. Again, take it anywhere below your knee or above your knee. You can also keep the ball of the foot on the floor if it's a tough balance day like it is for me. And there's the kitties. Inhale, adding the arms whenever you're ready. Keep the belly lifted. Keep your nice, steady focal point. As you breathe here, try and drop down through the left hip. And now point the left knee forward, extend the leg out any amount. You can hold it low or higher, but keep the shoulders above the hips and pull in your belly a lot. And then release it. Turn and face the long side of your mat and step your feet out nice and wide. Remember, your feet would be as wide as if your arms are at shoulder height, ankles under wrists. Bend the right knee over the ankle and make sure your front heel is in line with your back arch. Warrior 2. Knee over ankle. Drop the left arm to reverse. Keep the knee over the ankle, moving toward the little toe side of your foot. Breathe here, stretching the side. Then inhale, come up, get some length, and then take right forearm to right thigh. Reach your left arm up and over in line with your ear, but then spin your tricep forward. Inhale back to Warrior 2 and straighten both legs, then turn the left leg all the way out. Back toes in, line up heel to arch. Inhale, arms to a T. And exhale, bend the left knee over the ankle. Make sure your left knee points over your middle toe, so you've got to press it a little bit toward the pinky toe side of the foot. Back thighs pressing back inner thigh lifts up. Drop the right arm, reverse your warrior, bending that left knee. And then inhale to come up, lean forward a little, take left forearm to left thigh, reach the right arm over, spinning your tricep, your upper arm forward so your pinky finger faces the floor, thumb faces the ceiling. Press the front heel down to come up Warrior 2 and then straighten both legs, pointing your toes straight ahead with the big toes pointing in slightly. Hands on hips. Inhale, look up, lengthen. Exhale, hinge from your hips and take your fingertips down. Lengthen your spine as you inhale. Create that nice long back. Keep your right hand down, lift your left arm up and twist. If it's hard to reach the floor, you can put anything down there like your water bottle to hold on to, or if you have a yoga block, you could use that. Shift the weight slightly toward the balls of the feet. Now left hand down, look up, lengthen, exhale, right hand up, twist. Try to keep this twist from above your waist, keeping the hips level. Shift the weight a little bit toward the balls of the feet if you find that it's all hanging out in the heels. Inhale back to center, look up, lengthen, exhale, hands to hips. Inhale all the way up. And then turn your right leg out again, back toes in slightly, still heel to arch. Exhale once again to Warrior 2. Inhale to reverse, dropping the left arm. Exhale. Next inhale, come up, take right forearm to right thigh, left arm over, side angle pose. Inhale, we'll reverse again, keeping the legs the same. Bend into that right knee. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh, left arm over. Make sure your knee is over your middle toes the whole time. One more time. Inhale, reverse, press into the front heel. Exhale, lean forward, right forearm down, reach left arm over, stretch through the arm. Inhale, Warrior 2, and then straighten the right leg. Bring your feet back to parallel, left leg out, heel to arch with your feet, arms at shoulder height, inhale. Bend the knee, exhale, keep it over the ankle, moving over the middle toe so it's right above. Inhale, reverse, drop the right arm, stretch the side, stay for your exhale. Then inhale to come up, left forearm to left thigh, sweep that right arm over, remember pinky down, thumb up. Again, inhale, come up, reverse, stay for the exhale. And then inhale to come up, lean forward, left forearm down, right arm sweeps over. Stay for a breath. Inhale, come up, reverse, stay for your exhale, bending that front knee. Inhale back up, left forearm to thigh, right arm up and over. Press into the front heel, inhale for warrior two. And then taking the feet to parallel, hands on hips, walk your feet together and turn again to face the front of your mat, Tadasana, Samastitihi, or mountain pose. Pull the belly in. Inhale, sweep your arms out, around, and up, looking up if it's all right with your neck. Exhale, hinge from the hips, but keep the belly ribs pulled in. Inhale, look up, lengthen. Exhale, step the left foot way back and then the right to plank. Remember, knees can come down here anytime. Shift forward, hug your elbows in, try to have everything touch down at once. Hands by low ribs, inhale for cobra, pull the belly in, lengthen butt to heels, maybe up dog, thighs and knees off the floor, shoulders above wrists, and then to the knees to tuck the toes and stretch to down dog. Keep the arms and ears in line. Firm your outer hips in. Imagine you are holding a block or something between the legs. Look forward. We're going to come through and sit. So take a couple steps to come to seated. And then use your hands to lower yourself down onto the floor. Feet hips width apart and your ankles underneath your knees. Arms alongside. As you inhale, lift low back, mid back, maybe upper back for bridge. You can keep your palms flat, grab the sides of the mat or interlace, rolling shoulders under first. Keep lengthening your sitting bones toward the backs of your knees and spiral your thighs in toward each other. And breathe. Release the hands if they're clasped and lower yourself down. And then just let your knees drop in toward one another, placing a hand on your heart and a hand on your belly. Think of one thing that you're grateful for today. Anything. And now setting up again, arms alongside your body. As you inhale, lift your hips, then your low back and your mid back, maybe getting into the upper back. Palms flat, pull the sides of the mat or roll the shoulders under, interlacing the other pinky on the bottom. Again, spiral your thighs in toward one another like you're holding a block. Lengthen your butt bones toward the backs of your knees and keep your neck long. Press into the heels, nice steady breath. Release and lower yourself down, and then hug your knees into your chest, gently rocking yourself side to side. Give yourself a nice little low back massage. And then inhale. Bring your hands to the backs of your legs and start to draw your thighs towards your belly. If that works for you, you can start to reach down closer to your feet. So we're going to stretch the lower back here, and you can bend the knees as much as needed. And if your lower back is a little tight, your thighs probably won't come to the belly, but that's the direction we'll move them toward. Bend the knees, slowly release that. Feet to the floor. Take your hips off to the right a little and your knees to the left. Remember, when you want a deeper twist, you could cross your right knee over the left. It's just an option. If it's too deep, then it's not for you. And inhale, make your way to center. Hips over to the right and knees over to the left. And if you want to cross the left leg over the right, you may. The top leg over the bottom leg. And just breathing here. And then coming back to center, hug the knees into the chest one more time. And then draw the shins away. Exhale, pull them in. Inhale, draw them away. Exhale, draw them in toward the belly. Inhale, take them away. Exhale, pull them back in. Keep your lower back lengthening. And then feet to the floor, lengthening through the lower back. Extend the legs. Draw your shoulder blades gently away from your waist. Allow your feet to flop open. Arms by your sides. Close your eyes. Just coming into natural breath. Our quote today comes from John Lennon. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will live as one. Relax in Shavasana. I'll be back in a moment. And begin to lengthen your breath as you get a nice stretch through the arms and your legs. Roll off to the right, thanking yourself for taking your practice today. And then come on up to seated and take your hands together in front of the heart. Hands to your forehead, reminding you to have clear and loving thoughts. Hands to your heart, reminding you to have clear and loving intentions. Hands to the mouth, reminding you to have clear and loving communication, sending positive energy out to all beings everywhere. Namaste. The light in me recognizes, honors, and loves the light in you. So glad you joined me today. If you're here still at the very end of the practice, our secret word today is imagine. Imagine. So leave it in the comments below and I will know that you were here the whole time. See you tomorrow. Bye.